The price of downtown Toronto condos is approaching 1 million. Can we still find some new condo very conveniently located next to subway station, but still have unit price lower than 1,000 square feet? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm a real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm introducing you to very value for money condo assignment sales from Emerald City. So Emerald City is located at the east side of North York, very close to the intersection of 401 and 404. This project is coming from developer ELAC Canada. So they've already transformed over 20 acres of land into a dynamic mixed-use live, work, and play community. So living here, you don't just live in a tall building. You've got everything spread out next to you. Restaurants, retail stores, entertainment, everything is just steps away. They're also powered by RBC and very financially prepared. So things like what happened to Crestfall, you probably won't meet that. Okay, it also have very good view. So if you've seen condos from downtown Toronto, you know how close a building is to next one. You look out from the window, you see the window of your next building. This is not the case in North York. At the 24th floor, these are the views to each side. So you're going to have $1 million panoramic beautiful view. I myself have been there for showing in autumn time. I remember the beautiful colors of the leaves. It's yellow and red and orange. It was just stunning. Okay, talk about transportation. I think this is one of the highlights of this project. We are right at the intersection of 401 and 404. We just talked about that. So basically, if you're driving, no matter where you go, you spend shortest amount of time get on highway, and you can access anywhere. But not just that, we are also steps away to Don Mills subway station. We are across the street to Fairview Mall. So shopping, you don't have to do it only in the weekend. It's just convenient as that. So at the same time, we're also very close to Seneca College. So no matter if you're going to Seneca yourself or you want to rent it to students from Seneca, these are all very good opportunity. All right, when we take a look at the TTC, we know we are going to be just at here. So when the Line 4 extension comes to Don Mills, not only driving is easy for you, you'll also have direct access to TTC. I think the development of TTC will give our unit big potential of capital increase. A bit of background for the developer ELAC Canada. So it is a multi-billion-dollar real estate developer. We've already seen many of their projects, and they have a lot more coming. 6,000 plus residential units are under development right now. Okay. Okay, let's talk about their price. This is some transaction record happened in the past 30 days because they've got a couple buildings delivered before. So now they're already resale. The average price here we can see is slightly above 1,000. It's at 1,060 per square foot. But our two assignments are below 1,000. Let's take a look. Recommendation number 1. So this is a 1 bed plus 1 den. We've got the living space of 550 square feet, and we also have a large balcony over 100 square feet. Asking price is only 545. That gives us the square footage at only 990. You can see it's even cheaper than the resale ones that's already been lived a year or two. Not only the price is very economical, when we look at the floor plan, we can see it's also very functional. I cannot criticize anything wrong with this floor plan, as everything is so functional and no space is wasted. All right, so if you are thinking 990 per square foot is very value for money, we've got one even nicer. So we're looking at a 2 bedroom plus 2 bathroom. It's actually very spacious. We've got living space over 830 square feet with a large balcony, 163. Only asking for less than 800,000. That gives us a unit price at 963. Not only it's $100 less in unit price, we also have a parking. How precious is that? Sure, you probably would say, oh, but it's not a rectangular, but I think this a bit of extra space is well justified by its very reasonable, very economical asking price. All right, so this is the end of this video. If you're interested in these two units, please talk to us as soon as possible. And if you are interested in other units, we've got more for Emerald City. If you have any recent purchase plan, we can customize the search for you to include those very good value, exclusive listings and off-market properties. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.